What can I do now to lower my risk of heart attack and stroke in the future? Hi, I'm Dr. Maria Conley, and I'm going to give you the short answer. The pipelines carrying fuel to all the cells of your body need to stay as strong as possible. So, what do we call these pipelines? Arteries. And what is the fuel that they're carrying? It's oxygen, which is transported in your blood throughout your body. Blood is made of individual hemoglobin molecules that act as carrier vehicles for oxygen. There are at least 3 different ways to help maintain the strength of these fuel pipelines. First, you can stop excess fat from accumulating inside the walls of those pipes. Excess fat and cholesterol eventually can block the flow of fuel or oxygen to the cells of your body. When the flow of oxygen carrying blood is partially blocked, you may experience different symptoms based on where the blockage is. For example, you may feel chest pain or angina, and if your heart muscle gets less oxygen than it needs when you exercise. When the flow of blood is completely blocked, the cells in your body can die from lack of oxygen. For example, a heart attack occurs when heart cells die. An ischemic stroke occurs when brain cells die due to lack of oxygen supply from the blood going through the arteries to the brain. It is also important to avoid damage to the walls of the pipes by ensuring that the pressure of the fluid inside, i.e. your blood pressure, doesn't get too high. Think of how the water pressure inside your main water line in your house must be maintained within a narrow range to avoid breakage of the pipes. It's very similar with the arteries in your body. In addition, it's critical to avoid toxins such as cigarette smoke, which can damage the walls of those fuel pipelines over time. In my next video, I'll examine how excess fat gets trapped inside the walls of your arteries or fuel pipelines. These lipoprotein fat transporters carrying that excess fat and cholesterol exit the bloodstream and then move into a location inside the arterial walls where they don't belong. Here, the excess fat becomes trapped, eventually causing atherosclerotic plaque and disease. Essentially, the walls of your fuel pipelines, which are arteries, become corroded or damaged when these small lipoproteins invade inside the arterial wall and begin to accumulate where they don't belong. A damaged pipeline can no longer deliver fuel or oxygen to the rest of the body efficiently. Thank you for listening. I hope that this is helpful for you.